Want to master your money? Stick around, because these next few minutes could save you thousands.
So here's the scary thought. Are you losing thousands every year without even realizing it? Well, we're going to break down 3 super powerful tools to make sure that doesn't happen. All right, first up is your FICO score. Just think of it like a financial report card. Scores run from 300 to 850, and trust me, the higher it is, the better for you. So what actually makes up your score? A few things, but especially your credit utilization. Here's the secret. Just try to use less than 30% of your available credit. It's a huge deal. Okay, on to tool number 2, the 401k. That's your retirement plan through work. And its most powerful feature, the employer match. We're talking about free money here. So, let's say you put in $100 from your paycheck. If your company has a 100% match, boom, your investment just doubled, instantly. I mean, come on, that's a 100% return right away. You just can't beat that. And our third and final tool, the Roth IRA. This one has a massive advantage. The big difference? You pay taxes now, not later when you want to take the money out. So just imagine your investment grows like crazy by the time you retire. Guess how much tax you'll owe on all that growth? 0. A big, fat 0. You see? Getting these tools right means you borrow for less and retire way more comfortably. All right, here's your action plan. Check that score, grab that full match, and open a Roth IRA. You've got the roadmap, so the only question is, what's your first move going to be?